Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change the way you create content. Phygital Plus. If you're a content creator, designer, or marketer, this tool is about to become your new best friend. Before we jump in, make sure to follow this page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the great content we're going to share. And if you want a complete tutorial on how to use Phygital Plus, leave a comment below and I'll make sure to guide you through it step by step. Let's talk about Phygital Plus. It's an all-in-one creative platform designed to streamline your content creation process. You know how it feels to juggle multiple apps, switching from one to the next just to design images, edit videos, or create 3D models? Well, Phygital Plus eliminates all that hassle by combining over 30 AI-powered tools into one platform. Whether you're making designs for social media, working on a big project, or building content for your clients, Phygital Plus allows you to do it all in one place. One of the things that immediately stands out about Phygital Plus is its versatility. You can generate and edit visuals, videos, and even 3D models with just a few clicks. Think about it, you don't need to switch between Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, and Blender. Everything you need is in a single, easy-to-use workspace. This can save you tons of time, allowing you to focus more on being creative and less on managing different software. But what really sets Phygital Plus apart from other tools is the customization. Phygital Plus doesn't just help you create content. It helps you create content that is perfectly aligned with your brand. You can upload your brand's assets, logos, color palettes, and fonts, and the platform's AI uses that information to generate designs that are on brand. Whether you're working on a single project or managing an entire portfolio, the consistency in your content will be seamless, making your designs stand out in a crowded digital space. Now, for those of you who work in agencies or with multiple clients, Phygital Plus is an absolute game changer. It allows you to streamline workflows, manage client assets, and work on multiple projects all at once without losing track of anything. Gone are the days of email threads and tracking down version updates. With Phygital Plus, get a centralized platform where everything is accessible and easy to collaborate on. And speaking of collaboration, let's dive deeper into that. Phygital Plus isn't just for solo creators. It's built for teams too. You can work together with your team in real time on an infinite canvas. This feature really accelerates the creative process because everyone is on the same page and decision making becomes so much quicker. Imagine no more endless meetings or back and forths trying to finalize a design. Everyone involved can make instant changes and you'll all see them live. It's like having your own virtual creative studio. For marketers, Phygital Plus takes the guesswork out of designing high-converting ads, banners, and social media posts. It's so simple to create eye-catching visuals that are aligned with your marketing goals. And because it's integrated with AI, you can ensure that your content performs well with the right audience. Imagine crafting a design and then using AI to test it for effectiveness before you even hit publish. That's how powerful Phygital Plus can be for your campaigns. But Phygital Plus doesn't stop at images and graphics. It also allows you to generate videos for marketing and social media purposes. Now, creating videos no longer requires advanced editing skills or time-consuming processes. With its intuitive tools, you can generate animated videos, explainer videos, and even product demos. It's like having a full video production team at your fingertips. All you need to do is input the details and Phygital Plus does the rest. You can edit video clips, adjust transitions, and add effects all within the same platform. Here's the thing, Phygital Plus is designed for people who need quality content quickly. No more waiting hours for assets to load or dealing with endless layers of complicated tools. It's all about efficiency and getting your work done faster so you can move on to the next creative project. Phygital Plus is also perfect for small businesses or individuals who might not have a massive budget for a full creative team. With this tool, you can produce professional level content that looks like it was done by an entire team of experts. You can create everything from logos to website banners, product images, and even marketing videos, all without the need for advanced design skills. And let's not forget the AI-powered aspect of Phygital Plus. If you're struggling with design inspiration, Phygital Plus can help. You can enter a description of what you want, and the AI will generate designs that are in line with your specifications. Need a logo for a new product launch or a social media post to highlight an event? Phygital Plus makes it easy to create these on the fly. Now let's talk about pricing. Phygital Plus offers a pricing structure that's accessible for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small agency, Phygital Plus can fit into your budget without breaking the bank. And considering how much time it saves you by consolidating all your tools in one platform, the value you're getting here is huge. Let's take a moment to think about the creative possibilities this platform opens up. Imagine the endless amount of designs, visuals, and content you can create without the complexity of learning multiple tools. With Phygital Plus, you can stay ahead of the competition, creating high quality, brand consistent content that resonates with your audience, all without the headaches of managing a dozen different software programs. So, if you're ready to take your creative projects to the next level and want to learn how to get started with Phygital Plus, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more insights and tutorials in the future, so stay tuned. And hey, if you want me to walk you through a complete Phygital Plus tutorial, leave a comment below. I'll create a detailed, step-by-step guide to help you master this tool and get the most out of it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll catch you in the next video.